Flava TV. Flava TV. Woke up this morning, sun in my face. Bills to pay, but I still gotta chase. No be everybody go understand, but I go run now, I get my own plan. Mama says, son, you go make it one day. So I dey push no matter what them say. Hey. Hey. Some days I dey smile. Money no day, but I still got my style. Friends don't leave me, some them come back, but I no go stop, I dey stay on track. Everybody get them wahala, but we go dance am, we go laugh am. That's all life be, oh yeah. Hey. Hey. Every man get story, every woman get fights, but tonight we no go carry last. We go shine. Go make 'em one day, watch and see. Whatever you dey face, you go better. We live obo obo, that's the sound of hope. Play it every morning, help you cope. Loopy flavor, loopy flavor, loopy flavor, loopy flavor.
Now, this entire music video you just watched right now was created by AI. As you can see, I use this my image you are seeing right here to create the music video. Just a simple image, and it generates a full music video for me. Right now, if you are a musician, or you don't even know how to sing music and want to be creating music video, you can use AI to be creating your music video. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method how you can use AI with a simple prompt to create a music video. You don't need to generate the image, you don't need to do anything. The AI is going to undo everything by itself. And without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. Let me show you how you are going to do something like what you just watched right now. Now, this is the AI tool I used to create that music video. This is the AI tool. And if you need this AI tool, I'm going to leave down the link to this AI tool in the comment section or the description of this video. Just check it out. Now, this is how I do, and this is how I create the music video. Immediately I come to this AI tool, I use their agent here. So the first thing I did, I uploaded my music. As you can see, when you click on this plus icon, you are going to see where you can upload image. You can also upload your audio, you can upload video, you can upload text. So you can use this AI tool to edit videos. You can also use it to create music video. You can use it to create any type of video you want to create. So for example, let's click on plus icon. Let me upload that my audio. As you can see, my audio here, I'm going to upload my audio. I've already generated my music before, and I've shown you guys earlier before how you can generate music on generate music using AI. I've shown you guys how you can do that. So now let me upload my music. Now this is the music here. Let's upload the music. This is the music. Now the music has uploaded. I want us to upload the image also. My image, the image I'll be using, I want to use my own image. So let me upload the image. This is the image I want to use. This is my own image. As you can see, this is the image I will use. I'll click on open. Now, I've uploaded the audio and also upload the music. So the next thing you are going to do is to upload, write your music style, what you want the AI to generate for you. The video you want to create, just write it here. So I've got everything written from ChatGPT and I've copied it, so I have to just paste it here. And as you can see, this is how I describe my music video. As you can see, this is how I describe my music video. I say music video using the uploaded image as the main character, and I write everything I want. And after that, the next thing I'll click on generate here. Now, when you click on generate, allow the AI model to go through your prompt, everything, allow it to go through your prompt. And when it goes through your prompt, you are going to see how it's going to be. Now, as you can see, it's going to analyze it. Sorry, my network is very bit slow, but just give it some minutes and it's going to start analyzing every keyword, everything. As you can see, it's going to analyze it. So it's checking it out here. As you can see, feel free to leave this page and Favor will work on it to notify you when it's done. So as you can see, it's analyzing everything. When you look at my left hand side here, you are going to see it's working already. So I just have to give it some minutes and it's going to walk through and did everything for me. Now this is my image, this is the audio, and it's still working on it. So let's allow it to load. Now as you can see, agent analysis completed, and it's in multimodal analysis right now. As you can see, everything is get ready. This is what I paste, and this is what the AI is doing right now. As you can see, the key, I've activated a music video to workflow. So just give it some minutes and it's going to do everything. Now you are seeing it, how it's working on it, pre-chorus, all the music. It's going to listen to the music, and after the music is the one that you build how the music is supposed to be, because you have already write it to him and upload your audio and also your image. So you just have to give it some minutes and it's going to do everything. Now instrumental, the music body, as you can see, verse 1, pre-chorus and chorus and everything. So let's allow it to load and generate everything for us. As you can see, it's writing everything. Now as you can see, now it will bring you to an interface like this, where it will ask you this type of question. As you can see, match the uploaded song, creating high quality. As you can see, 3 minutes. So it's asking me here. I'll click on next. As you can see, next here, I'll click on this next, and after I click on next, just allow it to load again. It will bring you some things. As you can see, which view front should the final music video use? So you can see, say which view from with the music video use. So now you can select among of these two. As you can see, video with 6:9 ratio, that is vertical, and you can also select horizontal. Now I want us to use this one here, and after that, so I'm going to click on this first one. I want it to be 16:9, and after that I'll click on send. Now after I click on send, as you can see, the AI tool is working on it right now. So we just have to give it some minutes and it's going to work on it, and you guys are going to see how the result is going to look like. Let's give it some minutes. So which runtime should the music video use? So as you can see, this one says create cinematic 2 minute 16 music video that follow the following track expansion with the tight lip syncing throughout the vocal performance. Keep 3 minutes, as this one is 3 minutes video. Keep the 3 minutes, upload first 3 minutes audio version. So I prefer this 2 minutes. Let's put it in 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes I'll click on send. So just allow it to load, because my music is 2 minutes music, so I choose that 2 minutes. So let's wait for it. Now it has analyzed it again, so let's wait for it. All you just need to do, you just keep waiting. As you can see, first video space generation, so it's generating the first video generation. Now as you can see, video space is ready. So now you can see it here. Now let's click on this video space. So let's click on it. Now after I click on it, you are going to see it in my left hand side here, as you can see. Now after I click on that, the AI to analyze everything, and it gave me the video. As you can see, video space, this is the first video place. I read at it, and the next thing I asked him to give me the music video, and he gave me the storyboard. As you can see, the storyboard was updated here, and after I update the storyboard, I click on continue. As you can see, I click on continue here, and when I click on continue, you have to analyze everything again, check out the music and the reference image I gave to it, my own image. You analyze it, and I click on continue, and it generates everything for me here. As you can see, the images of the story, because it analyzed it here. If you look at here, it analyzed everything, and it decided to generate all the images I want. The scene, as you can see, the ghetto, everything, the set, everything was generated. Now after I generate everything, that I come down there, as you can see, these are all the images. These are now these first images it generate here. Which one you are seeing here? This here are the location of my video. These are the location. Now after I generate the location, it now add me up. Remember, I uploaded my image. Now as you can see, this is me here, this is the location, this is me here, this is me here. It generates all the images of the scene, all the images of the video, scene by scene, it generates them. And after I generate them, the next thing, I click on continue again. And when I click on continue, it started analyzing the images to turn them to video. Now, after that, it turned those images to video. As you can see, this is the first clip, this is the second clip, and third clip. Every clip was generated using my image and the music I uploaded. This everything. And after that, I click on continue again. After I click on continue, it generates the timeline of the music. As you can see, timeline is updated, and this is the timeline here. Let me play it so that you guys are going to see it. If I play it now, this is the timeline here. This is the timeline you are seeing on my left hand side. This is the timeline. So this timeline means, let me post it before I play it. Before I play, this timeline means if there is anything I don't like about this verse, if I don't like anything here, I can decide to change it. If I don't like anything, I can change it. So I can change anything I want here. But I just want us to continue. As you can see, any timeline I click, you are going to see it. Now I click on this one. As you can see my face here. If I click this one, you are going to also see my face. If I want to adjust it or edit it, I can do that. But this is how you can use this AI tool to create your own music video. And you can also create long videos with it. Any type of video you want to create, you can create it with it. And you can also use it to edit video. Anything you want to do with it, you can do it with it. So this is how the final result is going to look like. Now, after you are done with everything, you have reviewed it and you like the video, you have checked the clip, you like everything, you can see export here. As you can see export up here. You can just click on this export and you click on video. As you can see, you click on video and you export your video. So I'm exporting my video right now. As you can see, the video is exporting up here. As you can see, the video is exporting. So let's give it some minutes and the video is going to export, and you guys are going to see the final result just like the one you see at the beginning of this video. Now you have seen everything step-by-step method, how I generated the full music video using my own image. So I've shown you guys on my previous video how you can create music videos, how you can create music by yourself. So you can go and watch those videos and see how you are going to create amazing music like this. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And the link to the website I used to create this music video, the link is going to be in the description of this video. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.